Okay, hi all everyone. Okay, I will show you how to convert equations of straight line. For example, I give you one example. Okay, we have negative 3x over 2 plus y over 2 equal to 1. So if you look here, this is the equation of x over a plus y over b equal to 1. We want to convert this into ax plus by equal to c. How to do this? Okay, if you look here, we have the same denominator. We have number 2, so we can simply, the whole thing here, we times with 2. Okay, so when you times with 2, below the denominator we will cancel. So what would happen? Then we will become negative 3x plus y equal to 2. Ta-da! So we can see that our equation negative 3x plus y equal to 2 is the same as these equations of straight line. Okay, this is how you do to convert the equation. How about if we want to convert from here to y equal to mx plus c? As for this one, I believe that you know how to do that. We have learned it before. But let's recall. So if you look at this equation, it's already there. Okay, it's already negative 3x plus y equal to 2. So we want to make y on the right hand side and the left hand side. The rest we want to bring it to the right. So it will become y equal to 2 plus 3x. Remember, when we bring the negative 3x to the right, it will become positive 3x. Now, we want to rearrange. Make sure it is x first, then the rest. So it will become y equal to 3x plus 2. Ta-da! So this is the answer. Then this is in the form of ax plus by equal to c. Okay, I want you guys to try this inside your workbook, page 154, but you just have to write down the answer in the class cake. Okay, this is the first example. How about, okay, let us see. How about question number 8? We want to convert from y equal to mx plus c, convert to ax plus by equal to c, and then we want to convert to x over a plus y over b equal to 1. Let's do one example. Y equal to 4x plus 9. So to convert become ax plus by equal to c, meaning that our x must bring on the left hand side. This x must bring on the left hand side. So what would happen? You just have to, it's positive 4x. Bring across the equal sign, it will become negative 4x plus y equal to 9. Ta-da! Just like that. Okay. Then how about we want to convert to x over a? This one. How we want to convert like this? This one. How? So what to do? We make sure the c become 1. How to make the c become 1? Remember, we have to divide 9. Based on c is 9, so you must divide everything with 9. When you divide everything with 9, you will become negative 4 over 9x plus y over 9 equal to 1. Just like that. Okay, I want you guys to try it out. Okay, try it out to get the final answer. And write down your final answer inside the class kit that I gave it to you. Okay, good luck. Try your best. Bye.